So we'll talk about linear equation. In two variables. How much? Two variables. Now if you remember, you had studied linear equation in one variable in 8th standard, if you remember. Yes or no? This is about two variables. Is that clear? Now why do you require two variables? Linear equations in two variables. Why do you require? Now if I give you an equation x plus 5 is equal to 7. Is that clear? X plus y is equal to 7. Now this is a linear equation in one variable. Yes, because there are not the other variable, that is y. Okay. So this is only x plus 5 is equal to 7. And why do you call it linear equation? You know what is the definition of linear equation? The highest degree is 1. So here if you see, the degree is 1. Linear equations in one variable, which you have done in 8th standard and which you have already forgotten. Yes or no? We don't remember what we learned yesterday. So sir is talking 2 years before. So here you see linear equations in one variable. So x plus 5 is equal to 7. And if I want to find the value of x, how do I find? Very simple. I'll take x is equal to 7 minus 5. That is x is equal to 2. Yes or no? This is what you have done in 8th standard. Is that clear? Do you remember? Okay. Now we have come in 10th standard. From 8th we have come to, even in 9th you had done this. Now in 10th standard, naturally you will not have one variable, you will have two variables. Is that clear? So the two variables, x plus y is equal to 5. Suppose if I give you this equation, x plus y is equal to 5. And if I ask you what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Here you got x is equal to 2. If I ask you here, what is the value of x? Yeah. So you can say x is 1. So if I say x is 1, what is y? What will be y? Y will be 4. Yes or no? Then only it will satisfy the equation. So can I say only this is the answer? No. You can say, sir, you take x is equal to 2. Yes or no? So what will be y? Y is equal to 3. I can take x is equal to 100. Yes or no? Can I take x is 100? No. Why? I can take x is 100 and y I will take minus 95. That also satisfies the equation. Yes or no? Now suppose if this sum comes in the board exam. Yes? If it comes in the board exam. So every child will get how much answers? Infinite, no? Every child will write infinite answers for this. That means what? Every child will get full 4 marks. Means every child will get 90% in the board. Is it possible? No, na? So there is something missing in this equation. What is missing, you know? X plus y is equal to 5. This is the equation they have given. But this equation is incomplete. This equation is incomplete. Now I give you another equation. For example, see, x minus y is equal to 1. Now you tell me what will be the value of x and y. X can be, again I can take x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4. X is equal to, I can take 3 and y is equal to 2. Yes or no? X I can take 100 and y is equal to 99. So how many equations value I will get? Infinite value I will get. How many values do I get here? Infinite values. Yes or no? So if I solve this, I will get infinite value. This I solve infinite values. But if I solve both together, if I solve these both together, what will happen? This and this equation, both if I solve together, I will get only one unique solution which will satisfy this equation and this equation. What will be that? What will be that? That will be x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Put this value in this equation and find it out. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 3 minus 2 will give me 1. So only this value will satisfy these two equations. That means what? What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? If you have two variables, you require two equations. If you have two variables, you require two equations. You are getting my point? Here, see, we had only one variable. So one equation is okay. So I could find the value of x. But here I am having x and y. So you require two equations. So linear equations in two variables. You are getting my point? Two variables. That means you should require two equations. Is that clear? Example I will give you. Best example. You are having one TV at home. Yes or no? But at night you might see everyone is fighting for the TV. Yes? You want to see some serial. Your younger brother, younger sister want to see a cartoon network. Daddy wants to see news. Mummy wants to see Saas Bahu, Anupama. Yes or no? And you see everyone is fighting for the remote control. But see, there are how many channels in your TV? Around 300, 400, 500. Can you see all the channel at a time? No. To see one channel, you require one TV. Yes or no? So one TV. So here, same here. You require how much? Two variables. No. Linear equation, two variables. So I require two equations. So if I want to see, so nowadays if you see, many people are having in the hall one TV and in the bedroom another TV, small TV. So you can see two different channels and two different TV. Yes or no? This is what linear equation is. So if I have linear equations in two variables, I require two equations. But these two equations will give only one answer. One unique answer which will satisfy these two equations. Can you think of any other answer rather than this? I will give you 1 lakh rupees. Any other answer? Bolo. Any other answer which you can think? I'll give you 1 lakh rupees. Try. Yes? 1 lakh rupees I will give you. Yes, what she was telling? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. No? Then? Yes?
4 minus 1.
Sorry? 4 minus 1. 4, x is 4 and y is 1. No, 4 plus 1, 5. But 4 minus 1, beta, it is 3. Not. Yes or no? You cannot find any answer. I am mad to give you 1 lakh award. You cannot find any other answer than this. You are getting my point? I told you first only there is only one unique answer. And you will get this answer only. Is that clear? Okay. So this is how you solve linear equations in two variables. You getting? Now you